Are you dreaming of a home that feels cozy, inviting, and full of character? If so, Bohemian interior design style might be just what you're looking for. Today, I'm excited to take you on a journey through how you can transform your living room, kitchen, dining, and bedroom with Bohemian interior design elements. This style is all about comfort, creativity, and a touch of wanderlust. So whether you're redecorating an entire room or just adding a few accents, these ideas will help you create a space that's warm, welcoming, and uniquely yours. Let's start with the living room. It's often the heart of the home where you relax, entertain, and really show off your personal style. In a Bohemian living room, it's all about layering textures, colors, and patterns. You want the space to feel lived in, cozy, and filled with memories. Just take a look at this room. It perfectly captures that eclectic Bohemian vibe. Notice the mix of furniture and decor. The neutral-toned sofa serves as a great base, allowing the more vibrant elements to shine. The patterned throw pillows and vibrant rug add depth and character, while the woven wall hangings and dream catchers give the room that authentic boho touch. These elements are key to creating a space that feels both relaxed and visually interesting. And let's not forget about the plants. They bring a fresh, organic feel to the room, making it feel alive and connected to nature. In Bohemian design, greenery isn't just an afterthought. It's an essential part of the decor. It's all about creating a space that feels both stylish and deeply personal. Lighting plays a crucial role too. The floor lamp and pendant lights you see here aren't just practical. They also add warmth and an earthy, natural feel. And of course, you want to include some personal touches like trinkets, travel souvenirs, or family photos. These little details are what make the space feel truly yours and bring that cozy, lived-in vibe that Bohemian style is known for. Let's take another look at how Bohemian interior design truly shines in the living room. Moving into the dining area, Bohemian style shines through the use of natural materials and a mix of textures. As you can see, the dining table is made from raw, unfinished wood with a live edge, adding a rustic, natural touch that's central to Bohemian decor. When choosing a dining table, look for pieces that have character, natural imperfections, knots, and grains in the wood make the piece unique. The chairs around the table are mismatched yet harmonious, combining different materials like woven rattan and simple wooden frames. Over the dining table, notice the hanging pendant lights made from natural materials like rattan. These lights add a warm, ambient glow to the space, perfect for creating a cozy dining atmosphere. Let's take another look at how Bohemian interior design truly shines in the dining area. Next, let's move into the kitchen. A Bohemian kitchen should feel warm, inviting, and full of life, with a mix of textures and natural elements that make the space feel both functional and artistic. Here, the key is to keep things casual, yet creative. In this kitchen, you'll see how the wooden cabinets and open shelving bring a rustic charm, while the mix of materials adds depth and interest. The open shelving isn't just practical for storage, it also gives you a chance to display your favorite dishes, plants, and unique decor pieces. Don't worry about everything matching perfectly. In a Bohemian kitchen, it's all about the mix. The hanging pendant lights made from natural materials add a touch of elegance while keeping that laid-back vibe. Bringing in some greenery, like the plants you see here, is a great way to make your kitchen feel more alive. Place them on counters, shelves. The mix of different textures, colors, and materials is what makes a Bohemian kitchen feel so welcoming and unique. And if you're thinking about adding some color, consider incorporating a few vibrant dishes or a patterned rug to liven up the space. Let's take another look at how Bohemian interior design truly shines in the kitchen. Let's talk about the bedroom, your personal sanctuary where you can unwind and relax at the end of the day. A Bohemian bedroom should feel like a retreat, full of comfort, warmth, and character. In this bedroom, you can see how the layering of different textiles and patterns really makes the space feel cozy and inviting. The bed is the centerpiece, with its mix of patterned blankets, throw pillows, and that beautiful woven headboard. The wall decor, including macrame hangings and framed art, adds a personal touch without overwhelming the space. It's all about creating a relaxing atmosphere where you can truly unwind. Lighting in the bedroom is just as important as in the other rooms. The soft ambient light from the hanging pendant and the floor lamp creates a warm, inviting glow. And of course, no Bohemian bedroom is complete without some greenery. The plants in this room add a touch of nature, making the space feel fresh and alive. If you want to bring this look into your own bedroom, focus on mixing patterns, adding plenty of cozy textiles, and incorporating natural elements. Let's take the final look at how Bohemian interior design truly shines in the bedroom. So, there you have it. Some easy ways to bring Bohemian interior design style into your living room, dining, kitchen, and bedroom. It's all about mixing textures, colors, and patterns to create a space that's cozy, creative, and uniquely yours. If you found these tips helpful, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more interior design inspiration. And let me know in the comments, how do you plan to incorporate Bohemian interior design style into your home? I'd love to hear your ideas.